Hey, what's up everybody? This is Amir Hussain and you are watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. This video is about mechanical keyboard, right? In this video I'll be introducing a new keyboard which is very cheap and best for your budget, and that is MotoSpeed CK888 mechanical keyboard, and it comes with the mouse. This cool keyboard and mouse combo, I got it from banggood.com. Banggood is an online shopping website like Amazon. They are famous for selling cool gadgets like drone, RC helicopters, toys, robots and cars. They sell cheap smartphone also, Adreno items and many more gadgets from the various brands to all over the world. In this video I'll be demonstrating all the features of this keyboard and show you this keyboard is worth the price or not. Once you order your keyboard from banggood.com, you will find a box like this. I received my keyboard from Gati Mail in my country, India. Here you can see my name and address is written here, even my mobile number too. The service of Gati Mail is just excellent. They delivered my parcel in just 7 days, and also they called me before delivering the parcel. Here is the proof, guys. It's my order page showing you the shipping info of my keyboard. Here it is. The date of order is 28th January and I got this parcel on 5th February in my city Ranchi. Now it's time to open the parcel. I am opening it. Here is my keyboard and it's covered with the double layer of foam sheet. Very nice packing, guys. Finally, my mechanical keyboard is here with the RGB mouse. This is manufactured by MotoSpeed company with lots of cool features. Now I'm going to open this box. Here we are. Inside the box we got a keycap remover to remove or replace the keyboard keys, a user guide in English and Chinese. Here is our mouse. I will show you it later. First, have a look on our mechanical keyboard. It's also wrapped with a foam sheet. So here is our mechanical keyboard, guys. It have nice keycap structure and sound. The whole keyboard is made up of aluminium alloy. It's too strong and not breakable by any normal person. Now take a look of the back. Here we have two legs and here are the stopping rubbers. The back is also filled with metal which is not easily going to be bent. Now come to keys. MotoSpeed is using blue switches in this keyboard which is easily to be pressable by a single touch of your finger. This is also a rare mechanical keyboard because it comes with the numpad also. Not the all mechanical keyboard comes with the numpad. Now come to wire quality of the keyboard. The wire is very soft and very flexible. It feels like I am touching a soft rubber, and it comes with USB 2.0 interface. Now here is our mouse. It's very cool and looking so fancy. We got a DPI button on the top of the mouse. Here is the large scroll button which is pressable too. We got some extra keys here. These are the forward and backward keys. This is a fully optical mouse which supports up to 2400 DPI and that is adjustable. The wire quality is same as keyboard. It's soft and flexible. and this is also comes with USB 2.0 interface. Along with the keyboard, I got this thing as a gift from banggood.com. It's a gaming keycap for mechanical keyboards. Now I have connected my keyboard and mouse with my gaming computer. I am going to demonstrate the 9 cool LED effects of this keyboard. The whole RGB LED effects and multimedia stuffs, you can control all those stuffs by this function key. Now first of all, I am going to reset this keyboard. Press the function key and the escape key together. It will reset your keyboard to the default settings. We have 5 gaming presets on this keyboard. Press function key with 1 for FPS gaming preset. Press function plus 2 for CrossFit game settings. The third one is for Call of Duty game series. The fourth one is for League of Legends. The last one is for racing games. All the presets can be custom modified by the user. Now come to color effects. The color effect can work with function key plus insert key. Press them like this. Now we are on the colorful breath mode. You can also call it RGB breath mode because it's breathing and changing the color by itself. Now press the function key with insert key again to jump in the next effect. This is touch and go effect. This will work when you touch your keyboard. This will look beautiful when you type something on your keyboard. Now come to the next effect. It's another cool effect. Now it's glowing different colors in different layers, and also it's waving from left to right. Now the next effect is horse race effect. Different RGB lights are racing like a horse race area. You can also call it a snake effect because it's also looking like a snake effect. Now come to the next effect. Wow, this is an explosion effect. I love this effect so much because lights are coming out from a certain point like an explosion. Let's see what is happening when I punching this keyboard. Yeah. 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 Now come to the next effect, guys. This is another touch and go effect, but this time it's glowing 7 keys together. This is also a good effect for typing lovers. Cool. Now have a look on another effect. It's a rainbow effect, guys. This is the most attractive effect of this keyboard, guys. It's too beautiful, guys. I like it very much. Now the final effect is single color breath mode effect. This is a quiet effect. If you don't want RGB lightings, you can switch to this effect. You can also change the color of this effect by pressing function key plus del key. Here are the different colors. Choose the color according to you. Now if you press function key plus home button, you will get an option to create your own pattern. Just create which key you want to glow and double tap it to change the color of those keys. Once you created your custom preset, now you can save this preset by pressing the function key and the home key. Cool! You can make your own preset on this keyboard. Now come to light adjustment. You can adjust your light by pressing function key plus down volume key. It will decrease the amount of the lights, and press the function key plus up key to increase the amount of light again. You can also slow down your effect. Just press the function key and the right arrow key. It will slow down your current effect. To fast up your effect, now press the function key and the right key. This will increase your speed of the current preset. Now notice here, the lights are passing through left to right. You can reverse it by pressing function key plus del key to make it right to left. So the MotoSpeed CK888 is a nice keyboard and it's totally worth the price. Now come to the mouse. It's a nice RGB gaming mouse with the nice glowing MotoSpeed company logo on it. I like the design of this mouse too much. It's very comfortable to hold it and operate it. In the comparison of normal mouse, the weight of this mouse is too heavier than other. Now come to light settings. You can change your light settings by pressing this middle DPI button. There are 7 cool colors in this mouse. You can choose your favorite color by yourself. And this is the fully optical mouse which supports up to 2400 DPI. So that was my review on MotoSpeed CK888 mechanical keyboard. Hope you liked this video. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family and in social media also. And if you want to buy this mechanical keyboard right now, check out the keyboard link in the video description. Thanks for watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.